Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I have a new chalk wall for my kids' room. So I like to leave notes on here for them, but it's fun because they get to erase it and put their little artwork on here, and we do it just whenever we feel like. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how it's done and what we do. Here you can see my husband installed this sticker type wallpaper. It was very simple for him. He got all the bubbles out, no issues, and my kids use this to draw on every day. It comes off very easily from the wall. Here I have a wet rag and I just put a little bit of arm power into it and wipe it down, and there you go. You've got it. My children's artwork. They love drawing on this, erasing it, and then redoing it every day. So I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.